Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of the Scaling Alpha podcast. Today, I'm joined by Patrick Feeley, founder and chief investment officer of Sargasso Capital Management. Patrick has built a career at the intersection of corporate stewardship, operational scale, and public equity research, having previously directed governance and technology initiatives at Rovient Sciences and served as chief of staff at Strive Asset Management and later as chief of staff for Vivek Ramaswamy's presidential campaign. Today, we're going to dive into the core mechanics of corporate execution, corporate governance, and the analytical frameworks he uses to parse the small and mid-cap equity space. Patrick, it's great to have you on the podcast. Really appreciate you being here. Tell us a little bit about your background, where you went to school, and kind of the first couple places where you worked, and we can go from there.
So my name's Patrick Feeley. I graduated from Yale College. I studied political science and I started working while I was in college, which was an interesting decision because I had plans to dual major in political science and econ. But once I started working, I figured I might as well. I don't know if I need to press myself on econ. So I started the first job that I had while I was in college was for a company called Legalist, which is a litigation finance company. It's actually, it's a very interesting niche world where civil cases you can effectively invest and provide funding in civil cases. Legalist is extremely interesting in terms of it was founded by two Harvard dropouts, and they took an algorithmic approach to scraping Pacer to find certain cases that fit within their preferred window. And which was most interesting from that is I believe they have recorded over 10% IRR since inception, and it is one of the more high performing, I would say, private assets out there. And they've done an excellent job. And after that, I had a contrarian approach to what I wanted to do after I graduated Yale. I had 0.0 interest in investment banking or consulting. And because of that, I ended up working for a small startup out in Ohio, in Columbus, Ohio, that was founded by Vivek Ramaswamy, who everyone knows to this day for many different hats. But when I met him, he was a former founder of Roivant, his biotech company, which today is over $25 billion market cap, hugely successful biotech company.